Hello, I am Laura Guillereau with Homestead Funding. I've been in the mortgage business for almost 30 years and have been with Homestead Funding for 12 years.
Hi, I'm Stefanie Guvis, licensed real estate salesperson with Oxford Property Group.
Stefanie, thank you so much for being here today. We're going to be speaking to you about the renovation products that Homestead Funding offers.
Thanks, Laura. So the reason I wanted to get together and talk about renovation loans is because I really think it is a very underutilized product in our industry. It is something where I think there's a lot of opportunity that is missed in the real estate market because
Agreed.
there's a lot of homes that need a little bit of updating or they might need major renovations. And that scares a lot of buyers away because they think it's something that is impossible for them. But the renovation loan is something that can really turn a no home into a yes home. What are some of the renovation loan options that Homestead offers?
Sure, Steph. So we offer a few different products. FHA 203K. With that product, you can put 3.5% down. You can roll in up to 6% seller concessions. And then with our conventional product, it is a 3% down for first-time home buyers, and you can roll in up to 3% seller concessions. Both products are good for a 1 to 4 family, owner-occupied. With the conventional home style product, you can use it for a second home and a single-family investment as well. The customer needs to have a contract in place, and we can finance the cost of the home plus the repairs.
How are these products commonly used, Laura?
Sure. So we can do a few different things for the clients to make that home into what they want. First and foremost, we want to make sure that any health and safety issues are taken care of. Some of the repairs that we can do are repair and replace roofs, gutters, and downspouts, repair, replace, upgrades of existing HVAC systems, minor remodeling of kitchens, painting, weatherization, purchase and installation of appliances, and the list goes on.
Laura, how would a buyer go about starting the process? And can you touch on specifics when dealing with contractors?
Sure, Steph. So basically what happens is a customer will call me up to get pre-qualified. Once a customer is pre-qualified and we have an idea that they're going to definitely need a renovation loan, we actually kind of coach them and give them some information as far as, what the process is all about. So they get to choose a contractor of their choice. I do make sure that we let them know that the contractor needs to make sure that estimate itself is broken down between materials and labor. It's got to be signed by both the contractor and the borrower. We also have a contractor profile form that needs to be completed that we give to the client at application. That form is completed based on the references that we have for that contractor to make sure that they are a reputable resource. And then thirdly, we do need to make sure that they have $1 million liability insurance in place. When it comes to the appraisal is based on the after improved value. So we have to provide to the appraiser a copy of the purchase contract along with those fully executed estimates. This way they can complete their portion of the process with the appraisal.
So with the renovation loans, what kind of timeline are we looking at?
Well, Steph, we do get the client up to 6 months to complete the project. As I mentioned to you before in the past with our conversations, we have a department right at our corporate office in Albany, designated just to take care of our renovation loans. So basically what happens is when the loan closes, a customer is set up with somebody, one of my colleagues, that will work with them until the project is totally complete. When the work is complete on the home, we actually send out for inspection. And then within 24 to 48 hours, a check is dispersed out. If you have any questions regarding the process or need help searching for a home, please contact us.
Let us help you turn any home into your dream home.